Ia, malo whaftai, ia, nā mai le whaiunga le vai aso ma, ngā ruenga fo i ua, tuana i atu le lava i aso ua sola atu.
Ia, whaweke le weekend, maka mo fie le la, vi le tu me uma ia, mangu ia me uma, pisi fo le ainga malanga ruenga. Oe ngai alu foi i fea, i Hawaii
Sa waro ke kaufala.
Ngai ngai lo ten, ina enga ngai falling.
Tau whala ma uso ai Macadamia nuts, fole le a pipi e tuli so lo ika i oi la lo la au. Ia, me ta ua le whaftai le tu, mo le avanoa whai e fo sina malo longa. Ia, e mai so le toi taliu, mai ma le saunga le mo, man wia a inga wo me masani ma i la tu uma lo, lana ma papa au fo i le lai tu. Ia, me se fo i ole to telo nisa mato wa onga whaatasi le Brigham Young University la ie Hawaii campus. O lo no fo i lava ma osi ai ia a la tu taulanga i le telo atina e o lo fai. Ia, e mai se fo i lava ua to tele ala tu whanau. Wa ngā lulue, ia mano no fo i lava i hawa. Ia, ale tā ua le nā. Ai, sa ei nisi sa wala au watu mbau tau tala noa, ma whaasoa fo i le tūlanga o mata upo lo tātala noa i nele ngata le insurance, ia whapena fo i o le pui puinga o la tupe maua, income protection plans, ma mea whapena. Ia, ma se fo i le Medicare aid ma mea whapena.
Yes, sao le ia ko kere foi nga vili mai last week ma le sivai aso. O wai Hawaii, I was talking with Taito and ko kere foi nga vili mai, some of them fia lako policy with life insurance, but mga me swangi on just some advice on some of the wording, but otherwise the later cover, so left it there. But yeah, others managed to help them out and sort out their insurance. So yeah, very busy, and it's good. It's an honor to help our people. Samoa, so it's a privilege to do that. And busy, yeah, very good.
Mana ia o le tūlanga le tala noa mwhaasoa iai. Wa matalava na sui le mindset o tangata. Ia matatai fo i la tau vava ai le tau o tele o le mea nei o le life insurance, ia po o le tūlanga o le pui pui o lo saunga le mu. E maise, se whaalawe lawe whafose i o na tupu ia te oe. Ia alo iai se tupe e tango au iai le tina mo le whanau. Ia po oi lama. Po le insurance al tina, po le insurance al mo le ai. Ai, tulu loan ma tau pule teimile nei le manosi o le inflation po o le si tanga o le tau o le soifuanga le teimile nei. E whawhewheo na maua se soani fo i lea e le ngata i le si o le tau o le soifuanga ia mamau alunga fo i mo le tau o le premium o le payment o le policy. E whawhewheo o na tātou ona maua e tātou tangata se a wanoa e mawhai ai ona mawhai ona whaatino. Ia pe whaataunga o fia fo i moi lātou.
Tau le sa vea, ia, mai se au timing e whainka kai mingai, mai se aka koe ngusila, waru lunga prices, cost of living, ai ka alafu, shopping, peng singi foi, everything, waru lunga kau, bawal mea wale alu lunga kukongi ka ngaka. It seems to stay the same, ai alu lunga isi kau mea ai and everything else. So, ko kele ngaka after a few years, facing kau ngaka, kongi insurance because makauri foi le life insurance, pole car insurance, pole house insurance, le mea kasi. E alu lunga kau every year. So e alu fai ama cancel. And then mai mau ke mi e kukongi ngā insurance because ku polosi fa velave vole mawhainga ko claim on that policy because we'll cancel. So what's a good way to help our people swangi to keep the cover even though waru lunga the cost of living and inflation so one way it reduced the cover after a few years because after the first 5 years or 3 years facing konka we can reduce it down. And of my service I can see you every year throughout the year, help you with it, and in aru lunga ke price rather than cancel because very tāua to keep the cover go puse is reduce the cover. Reduce larule cover. For example, lo se lau afi the life insurance, cut it in half, se lau afi. Reduce the price. The other way, lisi me tāua look at the difference between o le level cover ma le rate for age cover. Le rate for age life insurance alulunga kau sanga uma. O le asfanga o lisi kau sanga fou alulunga. Mei se ape o le 5 kau sanga, 9 kau sanga, 10 kau sanga ia. Kua kau ka kele. So me tāua fai. Fai le level cover. E fai sing kau ka le amakanga. But the price is set local kau. So if it's, for example, say 5 ka la vai aso. O le kauanga kau sanga uma e le alunga. Ai ale level cover. Ai alunga le over se lau ka la vai aso after 5 years. So level covers is very good to lock the price. So e le alunga. But
so it's almost like a fixed rate.
Like a fixed rate, like a fixed rate. And most people, if I be FEB, because it's a little bit more conca than the other cover, but me CLI doesn't go up. Where the other cover, in the beginning, but then after a few years, it just keeps going up and up.
Those are
the two techniques: level cover, and the other one, reduce your cover, review. That's why it's very tāua to have an insurance advisor like me to be your main point of contact every year to make sure we review the cover and see what we can do to help you financially, especially about, alulunga kau mea as well as insurance. So
that's cut the cover. Tau reduce ai ia le tau o mea na ale o le na fo o le fixed lava. O na tau a tele la ia lea. Te ua tupu whātho se is whātho ia o makwale ia. Se mea le ngofo ma cancel le mea.
Yes, certainly. That's
exactly. Ai sea e tau ai tele le whaonga ina o lau sunga. Ina im whai ona wha matala vaenga e ono tau a lava o le mata upule nei. Ia ma ia o ngā tasi e matula fono o le FMA. Se I wha matala le FMA ia mai inga tau o le tula fono.
Sa o le lei, mga elfisili, sa vea. So, o le FMA, it's like the whamasingo for insurance companies. It's like they are like our, our supreme authority, like whamasingo. And so, o la koe e govern our body, they regulate us. Just before I forget, for the tautala is just a high level generic tautala, it's not advice. So the FMA are like the big whamasingo, the big courts. O la kongaluenga is that they shiaki, they check our work as advisors. So that there's no one that does anything, fraudulent or kuluku or dodgy. Because if we don't follow the process, kele finds it more in the industry. The process could be palpui. And so that's why every time we follow a very strict process under the FMA. So FMA will come here, they overlook us, and if they say, give me 5 files with Luatua, I want to check 5 of his customers. They can go check all my reports, all my work, to make sure I'm following the 6-step process. And so the 6-step process is the process they put the kula fongo in for us to follow. So wale mawhainga mako the client, and after one meeting, sign up the client. You have to do the telephone call, find out the client, what kind of ngase health, what products they want. Then we see the client, do the first meeting, come back to the report, the quotes, go back, see the client for a second meeting, do the application, come back to the offer of terms, and then third meeting. So all up like 6 process. Process. And we have to follow that process. Get all fine, we could get some heavy fines. So everything has to be documented, emailed to the client, and follow that procedure. Very, very ta'ua, with the strict guidelines from the FMA. So it's very good.
Malo, ta wotele o winga o ai inga ye ono aval au mai i le tangata i lau sunga mat te albatu ia mawhaile lu appointment i on whapena leo you take them through the 6 procedures, the 6 ways standard. Malo, ta wotele ai se e taua i le whaia pea o au siaki fo le whaakuata o le tausanga po le taiono masina ma whaia lau full check health i lau fo mai.
Yes. It's very taua because mai sea ka ngaka i pisi ngā ruenga, pisi of te ainga tupor ngā ruenga, ia ku mangavel ngā ruenga, le uli, ule le wā, whainme ai, and back to bed. We don't have time to do things like exercise or go and do this and that, and most of the time and so for us we forget to do this very taua thing halu fo mai, even once a year or every 6 months halu fo mai, and do a check, annual health check. It's the same thing with the kawale, our expire warrant of fitness, halu failo warrant of fitness kawale, failo registration, otherwise wale mawhaingai I feel like kawale pea maua leo. So all those kulafongos for the car. So with us, very taua to check with the formai, to get some blood tests. It's good to do it at makar kausanga. Like I always do it like this time, and go to the formai, blood test, check everything. Le faku, strokes, mai faku, diabetes, suka, everything. Check everything because. Basically, we feel good. Whapeaka ko le ka ko on the outside Ai ke o kupuse se blockage I kong le wawa I kong le arteries. And ke heart attack for say
Madi.
And in that way alu for mai. I fight the checks. They can catch it early. And because we don't know, we're not for mai, so we don't know whapeaka ko we good. And moe wake up, wenga, kamaiki, whangau, and so so very important to do a health check because the full might find something here. And then catch it quick and save your life. So that's very, very important to do that. Most of my clients, I tell them, go and get the blood test, alu whailo blood test, alu for mai whaio tests. Because the insurance companies, mga umia eva ai the results of those tests before if I lako kong whether it's kaulia, the life insurance pele kaulia. So very, very important, very tawa.
Malo tawa tele le soifua malo loina ya me se voin tatala no mo ai le me le body mass index.
Body mass index. That's a very important one, the body mass index.
Awa vava I meo vava I insurance I low lifestyle male te leo lo tino male tulanga whapena taua I le soifo maloloina iai le me ta o le trauma cover for 3 months stand down period o la le wha upuina ma le winga tono le mele
o le trauma cover o le pui against mai ki ngā inga o mai kumau. So, o cover lea. Se ilonga I wanganga e kau legal insurance companies, like you said, the PMI, over kere the PMI most times, ele kau lea cover lea the life insurance kau lea. But a kau lea, ba ngai cover lea, because it covers about 50 koe ngā mai. So mai whaku, heart attack, strokes, kawaso, dementia. There's so many different cancers cover, and so it's a very, very good cover. But our makara policy is very taua to understand. O le policy le cover pea kupuse pea maua se mai le in the first 3 months. So the first school masinga pea makara policy le se cover. Mo ia le ko le cover le ko kong ia o le cover. But vili mai oe in the first 3 months, of my will cancer. Because we're more within the first 3 months of the policy. The reason why Gango insurance companies put that kura fongo for the first 3 months se cover is because la isi kangaka as soon as I will for mai ka ulu fo mai ia o mawalo cancer, you had a heart attack, yeah, if kang look nga really made insurance company nga me insurance to get the free money. A lot of people trying to get a free cover, but if you get it first, yeah, it's no cover. 3 months, go lia lo cover pe mo. So first 3 months is very, very dangerous. They say cover for trauma, and heart disease and that. So yeah, it's very it's very tawa for me. I always make sure if I'm lay to my clients to see the feel lay ai o le wing o policy lea e mo e ko lia a maka ngei cover a maka paymengi next week or next month, but ele cover oi the first 3 months pe ma wale mai kinga inga until the 3 months is over.
Malo ta ua tele
That's very important.
O le matua I tele lava mare a ngau sa fo le o le mata upu le insurance it has to do with somebody's life and somebody else is going to pay for it, so nga I lava la ile su ina le ya o tato vai nei fo I fata I nga e fai a mai le pepa le fo mai. Ja, ma o te tongi le insurance, ai wha mai o le mfone toi whinga luenga ua ngaule papa kua o le mfone koe amse mea. Ai, mana tua iei fo I investigators ale company.
Ja.
E fo I lato fo mai for second opinion and that. Ja, e mai I se video, ai vai atule claim o le insurance o le mfone ngā mo se mea vai kola ea mo mai le whinga rapo. Ja, sau noi le mtau pulna wala tau te le fa maoni me
yeah, ta ua fa matala properly fa le I understand malama the customers, and so yeah, it's very important.
Sei Faiva a mai le ta telefoni fa mole a Matt nei fa.
Yeah, so lo telefoni lo mobile le o lua fitu valu toluiva tasi fitu tasi fa. Ko lau mai fa mole sabe.
O lua fitu valu toluiva tasi fitu tasi fa.
Yeah.
Yeah, le na. Fa te le lava Matt mol tantal ndwanga le yaso. Mai se o ofisidi lava ia lewa o mai fo I mfona o so sonia tuai tau fa amanino fa malmla mai le tunu upe afai. Ai ole mea monia e tawana e vili a Matt ia malua faisa lua appointment e fio tuai ia malua tala noa mafaso le ia mo le taimi faile insurance ole o lua fitu valu toluiva tasi fitu tasi fa toi fa funga tasi le numero na o lua fitu valu toluiva tasi fitu tasi fa ia fa mai o mai o le tata noa I se sau noa buli ja, ona tātou mā vai e lea male whaaha ralo I lau sunga Matt.
Tai lava ia moli atu whaftai, mal whaamalo I lo tō pa ia sa vea mal malu Samoa. I lo tō whaafonga I lo poko lame lene aso. Ma lo whaftai, ma lo non sai, ma lo tapuai, man wea lea tua, ti uti ma Faiva lene aso. Yeah, so we fought to fly next week, sa vea, ya song fua.
Looking forward to it, as always, my brother. You look after yourself. Mai man we lava tutu ma Faiva ole nei foi vai aso e fa so foi ia.
Fa so foi.